Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to help you track your crypto investments in Notion. It's 2025 and crypto investments are more popular than ever, so let's get right into it. The first step is setting up your Notion workspace. If you don't have Notion, head on over to their website, sign up, and download the app. This step is crucial because Notion will be the hub for managing and tracking all your crypto investments. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page in your workspace. Name it something like Crypto Investments. This new page will be your dashboard, giving you an overview of all your holdings. The reason we do this is because it's important to have a clear view of all your crypto assets. This will help you make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding. Now let's add a table to this page. Click on the plus new button, select Table. This table will be where you list all your crypto investments. Each row will represent a different crypto asset, and the columns will contain critical information like the amount you hold, the current price, and your total investment value. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking your investments in a structured way allows you to quickly assess your portfolio's performance and make necessary adjustments. Next up, let's fill in your table with your crypto investments. Click on the first row and start entering your crypto assets one by one. Don't forget to fill in the details in the relevant columns. This helps us because it provides a snapshot of our crypto portfolio. It allows us to see at a glance how each crypto asset is performing and what the total value of our investment is. Lastly, you'll want to update this table regularly. So set a reminder to update your crypto prices and amounts. Doing so will ensure that the information in your Notion workspace is current and accurate, which is crucial for efficient crypto tracking. Now that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your Notion workspace to track your crypto investments. This is a simple and effective way to stay on top of your burgeoning crypto portfolio. And that's it for today, folks. You're now ready to track your crypto investments like a pro using Notion. Keep investing wisely, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.